Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the shortcut arrow from desktop icons in Windows 11. This method is safe, easy, and works on most Windows 11 and Windows 10 versions. Let's get started. Type regedit in search and open Registry Editor. If User Account Control appears, click Yes. Now expand H-key local machine. Software. Microsoft. Windows. CurrentVersion. Explorer. Right-click on Explorer, choose New, then Key. Name it exactly shell icons. Make sure the spelling is correct. Inside shell icons, right-click on empty space, choose New, then String Value. Name it 29. Double-click on it. In the Value Data box, enter the value shown on the screen, or copy it from the description and paste it. Click OK. Then close Registry Editor. Right-click on Taskbar. Open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer. Right-click and select Restart. That's it. You'll see the shortcut arrow removed from all desktop icons instantly. Some Windows 11 versions may not support this method. You may see a black square instead of the arrow. If you face this problem, go to the same location in Registry Editor and delete the newly created string value. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.